YouTube, my name is Magda and today I have a super shake for you guys. High in antioxidants, great for the brain, skin, hair, and nails. If you're new to this channel and you love health and fitness content, this is the right channel for you, so make sure that you hit the subscribe button right now. As a matter of fact, just pause the video, hit subscribe, and enjoy. The ingredients that I have laid out on the table or on the counter are maybe foreign to most people. Like, I have wheatgrass here, I have acai. This is the wheatgrass, organic wheatgrass, frozen. I actually purchased this from Whole Foods. I purchased this from Whole Foods as well. The acai and everything else you can get at any regular grocery store or supermarket. Hemp seeds may be foreign to some people. And what else do I have? Coconut oil, baby spinach. We have almond beverage, which is almond milk, and some water. And that's it. These are my key ingredients. Sometimes I would add honey to sweeten if necessary. Oh, and I forgot to mention the blackberries as well. Everything here is high in antioxidants, helps to get rid of free radicals, but helps to prevent cancer. I would like to take this shake in the morning, preferably in the morning, or sometimes depending on how my macro is mapped out, I would incorporate this with a meal. I'll have this with some eggs or something else, you know, for breakfast. Wheatgrass is definitely a superfood. One serving of wheatgrass is equivalent to your daily serving of vegetables. I remember when I first found this out, I made the excuse of just only consuming wheatgrass all day long, which is not realistic simply because our body needs fiber from the different fruits and vegetables that are out there. So of course we need that variety in order for our bodies to function properly. But this is definitely equivalent to your daily serving of vegetables. It's great for the hair, skin, and nails, the brain function, and it's overall superfood along with acai. It's the same thing, same benefits come with acai, but it's not your daily serving of vegetables. This is more so a berry. You can find acai and wheatgrass in powdered form. I normally get the organic powdered form. Acai comes from the Amazon, so you won't find the actual acai fruit here in America. They'll only have powdered form, frozen. And this is amazing. For most people who are monitoring their sugars, I would definitely go for powdered form because it's not as high in sugar, and you're able to regulate what's going into your shake. Hemp seed, a plant-based protein, and this has omega-3s, omega-6, great for the brain function, great for the blood circulation, which is amazing. This is great. Okay. So I'm gonna add the one serving of wheatgrass. I was actually shocked when I walked into Whole Foods and noticed that they had this in the frozen section. I did not know they had it in the frozen section, which was great. So wheatgrass goes in first. Acai is next. This was frozen. I'm only going to use, you know what? I'll use the whole thing. I wanted to initially use half, but the whole thing of acai. Then let's add some coconut oil, which has a lot of medicinal properties and it's great for the skin as well. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of coconut oil. Teaspoon of coconut oil. What's next? 3 tablespoons of hemp seed. This is also, it's protein and it's high in fat as well. The hemp seed. 3 tablespoons of hemp seed is equivalent to 10 grams of protein. Well, actually provides 10 grams of protein. Then let's rinse out some blackberries. Gonna add 3. There's some good ones in here. All of my fruits, I always go for organic fruits. Let's go for blackberries. Rinse this out. Some blackberries, which is also high in antioxidants, and it's low in sugar. It's low on the glycemic index. It doesn't spike your insulin as high as the sweeter fruits like apples or oranges would. These are lower in the glycemic index. All right, so we have some baby spinach. Nutrients, we're gonna add some baby spinach. Just rinse this out. Baby spinach, what am I missing? Ice. Grab some ice. Ooh. Some ice cubes. Now I like to add almond milk. Some people prefer water. So let's do half and half. Some almond milk. I would say that's maybe a half a cup of almond milk. And okay. Now I'm gonna blend all the ingredients together. Okay, now all the ingredients are blended. This is it. This is my super shake. This is how I like to take in my wheatgrass. Sometimes wheatgrass have a very distinctive taste, so it's great to mix it with ingredients that is going to kind of mask the taste of wheatgrass. And this is the perfect blend that I like to use, or this is the perfect blend that I like to mix to get to take in the wheatgrass. You try it. Yep. That's it. If there is any way to get nutrients in, that's by blending or juicing. That's one of the most convenient ways to get nutrition in. Most people are on the go. You know, you got to go to work, bring the kids to school, but definitely make time for yourself, because we only have one body. I always mention this. This is the only house that we have to live in. We're not good to it. It can't be good to us. Our bodies won't be able to function. So make sure that nutrition is key. Get that nutrition in. Function properly. Make sure that exercise is priority. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. I didn't know if I mentioned that I'm 25 weeks. I'm making a mental note so that when I look back in the future, I can say, hey, I was 25 weeks here. I'm 25 weeks pregnant, and an amazing journey so far. And I'm happy that you guys have stuck with me throughout this journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you next time. Take care.
She don't know I got the drop on her like, oh, they don't know I got the drop on them like